Good morning, guys. Gagawa ako ng reaction video, guys. SB19. Uh, Ready. MV behind the scene. Actually, ilang buwan ko na ilang linggo, isang buwan na mahigit, pinanonood ko itong halos lahat na lang ng videos ng SB19. Video, interview, yung mga vlog nila. At nahook na po ako. Kaya, ayan. So, ngayon naisipan ko, gagawa ako ng reaction video. First time ko to gagawa ng reaction video, guys. Ambot, o magkadimao ako ani. So, uban ni ko ninyo. Maumauho na lamang nato ni guys, ha? So, let's go!
Just for the first verse. All right. So, yeah. So check out playback. Check out the speed. Tell me if you're okay with the speed. So we go slow. Yeah. So it's gonna go slow, and then it's gonna go high speed. So then it goes more slow. Right. So that's why I told you guys that. Try it.
Ang angas ni dito, guys. Tingnan mo yung kanyang galaw, yung kanyang aura. Lalaking lalaki. Wow, binata na talaga siya.
Yeah. Oh yeah. A few more. Welcome to my mansion. I don't have money, unfortunately. I only have cars. Alright, so we're having a music video shoot right now with Apple, and yeah, I'm actually surprised about the venue and all the cars and the cast. There were so many people. I wasn't just going to grab my thing because we just came from a concert like 2 days ago, and now we're doing a music video shoot. But yeah, I think it's gonna be dope, and I think the outcome will be really crazy when it gets out.
Kung nasa Pilipinas ka, di ka bibili ng ganitong sasakyan, maalikabok dito. I mean, maalikabok naman sa ibang lugar, pero
Siguro kung mayaman ako, marami akong extra money. Bibili ako. Baka may extra. Pero kung saktuan ba,
itong sasakyan mo, pag nasa Pilipinas, kawawa ka pagbasaan. Di ba? Pagbasaan.
Pag nasa Pilipinas ka, ganyan ang car mo, tuwang-tuwa silang basain ka. Buhusan ka pa ng hose ng bumbero. Naku, para ka talagang kina-car wash.
Hey, what's up, baby girl? Ako rin po ayaw magbigay last week. Walang video. Walang barya. Naman yan.
We're rich boys and sexy girls driving expensive cars, renting mansions, yo-yo, drinking, Pepsi. Pepsi number one.
Para na silang naglalaro eh. Nagkakasayahan. Oh. Pero si Ken dito, parang nahihiya siguro si Ken pag maraming tao. Magiging komportable lang siya pag kasama niya sa parang yung nasa paligid niya at mga kilala niya. Kaloka.
Umiiyak na ako.
Baby, next second, house life I'm living. You're ready for the night. You're ready for the night.
Kita ko yung mukha. Sino ako videoan mo?
Yan.
Hala. Ayaw na kinukuhanan siya nung kanilang cameraman. Ang cute. Ang cute niya doon.
Gano'n mo ka, pre?
Tatalo sa break! Galing.
26 na kasi si Janon. So, yung kanyang mga kilos, yung kanyang mga galaw, yung kanyang mga aura-aura. Maangas na siya.
Welcome to attitude. Paano ginawa mo? Yan. Perfect. Natutunan.
Kailangan yung damit, ah. Oo. Ura kayo. Ulitin, ah.
It's a wrap.
kay Ken pag tumitig sa camera, di ba mo naiinis o galit or naiirita. Ang cute niya pag ganun. Umiirap sa cameraman. Umiirap ba sa cameraman o sa camera? Ayaw niyang kinukuhanan at pinufocus siya. Hala ka.
You want Cinderella is out now on Spotify.
Are you ready? Our new single is out now on Spotify. Yeah.
Hi, this is SB19. Hi, this is SB19.
And Apple the app, check out our brand new video on YouTube. Let's go. Check out
Nakakatuwa naman yung kanilang behind the scene. So, yun lang guys. Thank you very big. No, tingnan natin magkadimao bataan niya itong kalaki.